Uh-huh. I'm recording.
This is the dog in the old lady's pocket, snoring.
She stuck her head in my pocket and went to sleep. Jill.
Don't bother her.
Jill.
That's a good one there. Did you? Jillian.
Jill. Hey. 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 Jill, get your head out of my pocket. Oh, she'll just stick. Get your head out of my pocket. She'll stick it right back in. Watch her.
Jill. It's a dog. Jill.
Watch.
Don't do that. Just sit there.
Seriously?
It's still going on. What don't was?
No, poor baby. Let me woke her up.